A suspension bridge is a type of bridge where the deck is suspended below cables on vertical suspenders. The main components include the main cables, which run between two towers and are anchored at both ends, transferring the deck's load through vertical suspenders. The towers support the main cables and transfer the load to the ground, while the anchors hold the cable's tension. Suspension bridges are capable of spanning long distances, making them suitable for large waterways and valleys, and are known for their aesthetic appeal and flexibility in withstanding dynamic loads like wind and earthquakes. Notable examples include the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco and the Akashi Kaikyō Bridge in Japan.